What's up guys, YvensB here. Today we're doing some soccer. So I'm continuing my portfolio work as a part of my continuing sports portfolio. So I will be giving commentary about the behind the scenes, what's happening, what I'm thinking, what I'm adjusting, what's not going right and what's going wrong, what's going well actually. So I hope you enjoy this. If you do like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like. If you don't like it, tell me why. And smash the like button, hit that ring thing, and do whatever YouTube is doing in 2018. Thanks again, cheers, and good luck. Hey guys, so as you can see, we're gonna start by installing my trusty Explorer 600. This light is really fantastic, and this time I'm gonna pair it with my PLM 64 by Paul Seabuff. I love this modifier. It's great, it's large, it's easy, and it set up pretty easily. So as you can see, I'm catching a ball because I'm really good at soccer. I'm really not. And at this moment, I'm instructing the actual players what to do exactly, what the scene I have in mind. Of course, I sent a mood board before, but again, we'll see. So in a few seconds, so 3, 2, 1, yep, this happened. So my security tip of the month is secure your equipment. Anyways, moving on. So after securing this and asking my new assistant to actually hold this, so we ran this little gauntlet, basically this defense setup with the attacker in front and the defender in the back a couple of times. I wanted to make sure I got the right frame, and this was my only goal, was to get that specific shot. So we ran it about 25 times, and it's really about pushing your athletes to really do what you want. Again, as you see me, I'll correct the athletes to do exactly what I want to do because I'm not getting the frame that I want. But after these little adjustments and a little pep talk, we finally got it right. So here's the final shot actually. Well, this is a straight out of camera, and then in second you'll see the final. So it's a pretty cool shot. This is exactly what I had in mind. And then we continue with some portraits of the athletes together, just to complete the book. And then I wanted to get also some corner kicks from the box. And again, I explained and rehearsed with my athlete what to do exactly in order to get the shot. I wanted something that really shows movement and is also crisp. So 1, 2, 3, here you go. So really cool shot. It's something I had in mind also I wanted to do, and since I had the athletes with me, got it done. And to finalize everything, I did some quick portraits of the athletes for himself. It's always important to flex that muscle a bit and to use as much as possible the environment and the settings to just squeezing a couple of portraits that are really cool looking actually. So actually Johan is a professional model. He travels around the world for this, and he's also a soccer player. So when I had the ID, I immediately called him and told him, hey, can you do it? And he said yes. As you can see, he's a great poser. It comes really natural to him, so didn't have to tell him anything. I just told him pose. So here's the shot I selected for this one and the final. So same thing with the other model, Omar in this case. He didn't have as much modeling experience as Johan, but really cool guy, and his family was really helpful. They're holding my lights. So here's his final portrait. And because whenever you have these people around you, and that girl was really awesome. She was holding my lights, taking behind the scene photos, all that fun stuff. So the best assistant I ever had in my life, and I wanted to capture her and at least give her a little souvenir of what we had together. She's really awesome. I highly recommend, if you need to hire someone, hire her. And to finish off, just one last family portrait plus this portrait with Johan, because in real life they're real friends, and it's always nice to give something away. So here are the results.